Hello everyone, I want to welcome you here at Car Connection in Little Ferry, New Jersey, and today we are featuring this absolutely beautiful 2004 CTSV Cadillac in very good condition. It's a 5.7 liter LS6 400 horsepower engine, 6-speed manual transmission. Let's go through this car. I'll show you how clean it actually is, and let's go over all the upgrades and things that have been done to it. As you can see, headlights are clear. These headlights have been replaced. They are OEM headlights, Cadillac. They've been replaced. All the fog lights have been replaced. If we look at the grille, this emblem has been replaced. These things tend to fade out, so it was a good option, good way to replace it. Here's your driver's side headlight, clear, has been replaced. Same thing here, okay? Car's in great shape. You do have a little bit of cracking going on in the bumper because it sits so low, so it's probably from hitting a parking curb. But otherwise, this car has a clean Carfax, no accidents. As you look down the side of the car, you can see it's not wavy. There's no dents, there's no dings. Okay, same thing with the other side. Okay, no dents or no dings. Now it does have matching ATR Sport Achilles tires all around. A little bit of curb rash on the rim. Otherwise, in very good condition. Okay, let's go to the driver's side. Do want to mention it does have Brembo brakes that have been replaced. So these are new Brembo brakes, calipers. You look at this side, the driver's side, rim and tire, good shape, a lot of tread on the tire. That's a new emblem that's been replaced right there. Pull along the side. See, the car is very clean. The top of the car is very clean. It does have a sunroof that functions. I'll show you later. Trunk lid is very clean. No damage. Here's your driver's side rear tire and rim. In very good shape, very good tread. Now this car does come with 3 key fobs. Okay, they all work. Okay, you just pop the trunk. Very clean in here. Spare tire is in here. Trunk compartment is clean. As we look at the rear bumper, the bumper is very clean, in good condition. This car does have actually equipped with muffler elimination. We go along the side again, you see it's a very clean car. Here's your brakes that have been replaced. Those are new Brembo calipers all around. The car is very clean. Very, very clean car. Let's look at the hood. You're not going to see any crazy chips going on. The hood is very clean. Just a nice car all around. Let's look at the back seat. Look at the interior. Driver's side rear door panel is in very good condition. You know, the interior is in very good condition. Even the suede in here is in good shape. Okay. Here's your passenger side rear door panel in good condition. Headliner is clean. There's no stains. It's not drooping. There are no foul odors in the car. Car smells clean. It's been definitely kept up and detailed. As we go to the driver's side, here's your door panel. Here's your driver's side seat, same thing. Your seats are in very good condition. Passenger side seat in very good condition. Same thing with the passenger side door panel and the dash. If you look at the dash, it's in very good shape. Even the steering wheel is in good shape. It doesn't really show a lot of wear. The door sills have been replaced on both sides. Okay. The vehicle does have about 126,000 miles. I'm going to tell you what's been done to this car. Okay, so now as we get to the interior, it does have the stock radio navigation. It does have a aux port here that was added, which is pretty nice. Okay, there's all your functions here. Navigation works. Okay, here's a Hurst short throw shifter that was added on. It also has the LS7 clutch kit that was put on, that was installed. Pressure plate, throwout bearing, clutch. You have also on this car, the rear differential and drive shaft have been upgraded to an OEM, and it was done by the dealer, so that's a new differential and drive shaft. All the motor mounts have been replaced on this car. I did mention the brakes all around, the tires. So this car is it's been maintained by a dealer. So there was a dealer that actually performed all the functions on this car. 126,000 miles. Car, let's put the emergency brake on. Okay, it's on. Take a look. 126,000. Let's rev her up a little bit. Open the door, we'll rev her up. Okay, let me show you. All the windows are one touch. Okay. Rear. Sunroof. It's all one touch. AC is blowing cold. Trying to get the Navi to work. I know it was working before. I'm probably just doing something wrong, but I know the navigation does work because I was playing with it. Maybe the disc is not in there. Oh, there you go. Changers, and the disc is empty. That's why. But I do have the disc. It does have the manuals, so we have all the manuals to the car right here. Okay. Car is just a beautiful car, man. Looking for a complete car, not abused, maintained. 2004. Let's pop the hood. Let's look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean. No signs of any accidents. Okay. Engine sounds great. Just a beautiful car, everyone. Again, we got a 2004 Cadillac CTSV LS6 5.7 liter, very well maintained by a dealer. Give us a call, 201-440-1323. If you want to see more pics of this car and this video, you can view it at carconnectiononline.com. Okay. Also on there, you can fill out an application for a loan if you're looking for a loan, or you want to pay cash. Whatever you like, we'll make it happen for you. It's a beautiful car, man. We also offer warranties on all our vehicles, including our motorcycles. Everyone stay safe. Thanks for viewing this video.